dinguerie de ouf, hein. C'est abusé. Je sais même pas ce que je dois faire. Clairement. Putain, c'est quoi ce problème? Clairement comme un garçon.
Elle c'est une menteuse, elle est là pour plaisanter.
What up guys, it's your boy That's Zach here. Yes, I'm laying down in my bed, chilling, because we're about to dive into day 8 of the Veganuary month, and I hope you enjoyed this one. So we started the morning off with some avocado, some walnuts. It was a keto type day, so I wasn't really fasting. So we had some walnuts, we had some avocados. I like to make this coffee where I take coconut oil, I take some vegan butter, I put cacao powder, turmeric, black pepper, and homemade cold brew coffee that I've made in past videos. It's in my recipe section, and I also put it in the last video. I heat up the cold brew and then I mix that all in together. So that's pretty much what I had, and then I also took some Move Protein, again, which is one of my sponsors. If you guys do want a discount, the link is down below as usual. But we took some vanilla, we mixed it with a little bit of water, and little bit of Vegemite milk, but that's about it. That's what we had for breakfast. Now we got meal 2 on the way. If I tell you how badly I've been dreaming about this meal, I've had it every day for the past 5 years on this vegan journey, and you guys are about to see what it is. Unless you follow me on Instagram, then you absolutely know what this is. Now, if I tell you how hefty and heavy this bowl is, I didn't get to mix it yet, but we got a cup and a half of oatmeal, we got a sprinkle of walnuts, 2 tablespoons of organic sunflower butter, just because usually sunflower butters, if you don't get the organic one, they add quite a bit of sugar. We got 2 dates, we got a cup of frozen berries, we got some goji berries, if you guys can see right there. We also put some maca powder, we also put some 2 bananas, 2 medium bananas in this. We also put some cinnamon just to kind of regulate the insulin levels, but with that hefty bowl, I don't know how regulated it's gonna be. And I also put 2 servings or 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, and then 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. So that was pretty much meal 2. I'm gonna go devour this because I'm super excited to eat this right now, and I think I'm just gonna melt in my mouth, and I'll see you guys for meal number 3. Then, just to finish it off, I had a little bit of chocolate. It was from Giddy Yo-Yo, which is another company that doesn't sponsor me yet, but we are in contact, and the owner is a very wonderful, awesome lady named Bridget, and she gave me a massive bag, which was in my Toronto vlog, actually. So if you guys saw that one, you could go check it out. I got some chocolate, I got some coconut butter cream, I got some coffee, I got these maca powder, I got camu, I got some spirulina, some chlorophyll. The list goes on, so go check that out. Then we dove into another meal, which is where within this diet I'm kind of having carbs at the end of the day. So I took about half a cup or a little less of brown rice. I took some peppers, some mushrooms, black beans, of course, for this one. They're one of the highest in protein out of all the other ones. Of course, spinach, guys. You guys know how much I love my greens. And I took this bowl and I screwed up, and I threw it on the floor, and obviously when you make a mistake, you kind of kick it on the side, and did one of those. I like to steam it, so I pretty much just put it in the pan with a little bit of water. I didn't put any oil in this one. I squeezed a little bit of lemon on top, and then I cover it and I let it just steam out. At the end, it kind of looks like this. So I had the brown rice, the spinach with some of the veggies and the black beans in one bowl, and then on the other side I left all of the steamed veggies on the other one. Then I took a little bit more of the Giddy Yo-Yo chocolate that I had from before. I took a little more, and this right here is kind of a list of what they have, of all the chocolates they have, and the variety is really insane. To finish my night off, I had some matcha tea with some Vegemite milk, as you guys can see here as well. It's one of the fun things I like to do. Yes, people say that you won't fall asleep when you have matcha tea because of the caffeine content, but I didn't have that much matcha tea. I had roughly 1 teaspoon of it. That's it. And then I also took some spirulina and chlorella pills to finish that night off. And that's it for today. Well, that day at least. that was it for the 8th. Really simple day, vegan ketogenic diet. It was low in calories, so I was in roughly a 6 to 1,000 calorie deficit that day because I did have 2 workouts. I wasn't feeling too hungry, so that's pretty much what I ate. And that's it, guys. So like these videos are gonna be nice, sweet, quick, straight to the point. Explain the workout, why, maybe workout. Explain the meal, why I did it like this, what I had, what I like to do, and little tips and tricks, pretty much. That's it. So we're done for today. I shall see you guys for tomorrow and the day on, and the day on, and the day on, and the day on, because we got another 3 weeks left. But it's your boy, that's it, Zach. Punch, headbutt, elbow, knee.